Conrad Bladey, and I am a visionary artist. I work generally with art cars, but also in other different mediums. Do outdoor environments, and otherwise I write books and teach people classes. This is one of my art cars, which has been kept behind a barrier today of cloth. The barrier symbolizes a glass barrier set up by the terms that are used to describe our art form, that is, an art car. We are often described as outsider artists or weird artists, or we do crazy art. Sometimes people say we decorate our cars, whereas we actually create art. We don't decorate them. Decorating is something that's not permanent. So this barrier shows the barrier that is set up by words that people use, which you often can't see. The barrier also exists as we try to relate to the arts community, because we aren't considered to be part of the general arts community in town, and we're not often involved in planning and decision making and the way festivals are put together. So the barrier that we see here is showing you the invisible barrier that really separates ourselves from everybody else in the city of Baltimore. Inside you find my art card, The Frogs Will Inherit the Earth, which is a visionary artwork that talks about the fact that someday when the earth is destroyed, the frogs will come back. It's a vision I had, put into a form of a car. People can go in and think about it, as an art form without the bad words. I have on a recording my voice reciting the bad terms, weird and crazy, and then some sound effects, and then the good words that people use, visionary or artwork or creative. I hope people will think about talking about cars and art and our work as if it was a new art form and not weird or crazy. Looking back in time, Leonardo da Vinci, a famous artist, wrote backwards. He was pretty weird, I guess, but he was a great artist. But people would not call him weird. And Vincent van Gogh, a great artist of the Impressionistic school of art, cut off his ear. A lot of people thought he was crazy, but not so much anymore, where his art is now accepted.